Many people don't know the criminal law has a sliding scale of 5 non-fatal assaults, from a defendant who is alleged to have severely attacked a complainant that they almost die of their injuries, to a defendant who is alleged to have merely pushed a complainant without causing any injury. So here's a quick rundown from the most serious to the least serious non-fatal assault offences you might read about, or worse still, get arrested for, their maximum sentences, and 3 common defences. 1. Wounding or causing grievous bodily harm as per section 18 OAPA 1861. For example, repeatedly punching someone which results in a cut and a bleed to the mouth and or a fractured skull. This is an indictable only offence with a maximum sentence of life in prison. 2. Maliciously wounding or inflicting grievous bodily harm as per section 20 OAPA 1861. For example, punching someone once which results in a cut or a bleed to the mouth and or a fractured skull. This is an either way offence with a maximum sentence of 5 years in prison. 3. Assault occasioning actual bodily harm as per section 47 of the OAPA 1861. For example, punching once someone, giving them a black eye. This is an either way offence with a maximum sentence of 5 years in prison. 4. Battery, a common law offence charged as a section 39 CJA 1988. For example, pushing or spitting on someone. This is a summary only offence with a maximum sentence of 6 months in prison and or a fine. And 5. Assault, a common law offence charged as a section 39 CJA 1988. For example, shouting at a person that their face will be slashed. This is a summary only offence with a maximum sentence of 6 months in prison and or a fine. Now, assuming a complaint statement is made and evidence obtained by the police of any injury of the complainant, which offence a defendant is arrested for or eventually charged with by the police and prosecutors depends on 2 main factors. 1. The level of injury. The basic rule: the more serious the injury, the more serious the non-fatal assault offence the defendant gets interviewed for and or charged with. And 2, whether the defendant acted intentionally or recklessly when they used unlawful force. And there are 3 main general defences to a non-fatal assault arrest charge that defendants often put forward in a police interview or at trial. 1. They were not present at the scene of the incident when the complainant was injured. 2. While they admit presence at the scene with the complainant, they deny any involvement. And 3. They put forward self-defence. Feel free to comment, follow, like and share.